What's going on, YouTube? I just wanted to make a super quick tutorial to show you how to make dynamic axis titles and chart titles in Excel. So here you have an example with just a chart and some random numbers. And to make the titles dynamic, first you have to make sure that you have them. So click the plus and make sure that axis titles and chart titles is clicked right here. Next, here we have a series of cells, so D4 through D9, that has different suggestions for the chart titles and axis titles. So, for example, for the chart title, click the chart title, and then go up into the formula bar. Once you're in the formula bar, press equals, and reference this cell. And it's kind of a similar process for axis titles. So click the title, click the formula bar, press equals. And same thing with this. Press equals, dollars. And now, as we can see, if we change something in the cells, in the cell, then the title changes as well. And this is cool because you can, for example, say have like text and formulas in this, and you can also have a title that changes dynamically. So for example, if you wanted to, you can have equals, open parentheses, close parentheses, and count, and you can count the number of days. And as you can see, now we are using the count function to count the number of days in the data, and the chart title changes as well, so to show 20 days. One thing that I would also like to point out though is that if you change the formatting of this, so for example, if you make this cell bold, the formatting does not carry over into the chart. So the content of these cells carries over into the chart titles, but you have to actually go to the chart itself to format it. So, for example, we're going to click this title right here, highlight it, Control Z. Then we're going to Control B to make it bold. We're going to make it size 12 instead of 10. Same thing with the vertical axis, click the title, Control B, then 12. In the title, Control B, and we want it 25. And change the text to blue. I don't know, but the point is that if you want to format the actual axis, is that the content from these cells carries over when you make them like dynamic, and when you reference the title to the cell, but the formatting of the titles do not change with the cells, so you have to actually go to the graph itself to change the formatting of the different titles. So that being said, I really hope that you found this to be helpful. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you all so much. Have a great day.